Hello everyone, we're making momos. It's a Tibetan dumpling. We have made some here. We have a 2 stack. We have a dumpling pastry here. We can buy from the supermarket. And we have a mince ready. This is chicken momo, chicken dumpling. And we have mix of few things. Cabbage, spring onion, onions and few other like ginger, garlic. Okay, this is next one. We're making lots of momos. It's very tasty and healthy too because we after this I'll show you we steam this one. Yep. Yeah, this looks nice. We'll take a momo pastry here. There you go. Dumpling pastry. We'll put a small amount, half a spoon. Yep, there you go. And we'll put a little bit of water on the side just to make it stick together. There you go, it's ready. Yep, it's ready. There you go. We're making a steam dumpling, so I put a water to boil. Once it is come to boil, then we'll put a dumpling on top. We're almost done making a dumpling. There you go, guys. It's for a few people, so we make a lot and a lot. And the next one, there you go. Next one is here, ready to steam. We're gonna show you how to make. There you go, one more there. Okay guys, our momo is steamed and ready to serve. There you go, have a look. So we're gonna serve this momo now. Okay, our momo is ready now, dumpling one. We're still putting here. There you go. Have a look, it's nice. There you go. And we'll put some pickle here. Chutney we can have with this one. Okay, we'll enjoy our momo, yummy dumpling. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.